Good evening. Welcome to Mona's Trading View for 11 June 2021. Yesterday I had mentioned that today it is not advisable to buy Nifty or go short also if it doesn't fall below yesterday's low, as it was a weekly expiry today. So as it happened, we saw Nifty recovering almost all the losses it made yesterday. We can see here that today's candle is inside yesterday's big red candle, indicating that we had an inside out day today, meaning which tomorrow, whichever side Nifty moves, that direction the market will take. Usually this is what happens when there is a inside out bar. So we will discuss this phenomena in detail. For long-term traders, there is no buy in Nifty even if it were to cross 15,800 tomorrow. For positional traders, Nifty has to close above 15,800 for a minimum 2 days to enter into fresh long positions. However, for short-term traders, if tomorrow Nifty opens higher and crosses this 15,800 mark and stays there for a couple of hours, they can initiate fresh long positions only on intraday basis. Whereas if Nifty starts drifting lower, once it crosses today's low, then again short positions can be initiated for a target of around 15,550-60 levels. It is not a positional short either. We can see Nifty today traded in a tight band of 70-80 points here. Usually, such tight ranges will give way to bigger range the following trading day. But we have to remember that this 15,800 is a strong resistance area and it takes some amount of work to cross over this. Moreover, daily RSI is giving first signs of weakness and daily chart. Moving on to Bank Nifty now. However, Bank Nifty, the same story again. We had a inside out bar in trading today, but we have made a certain top at 35,800 700 levels in Bank Nifty. For positional traders, fresh longs can be initiated only above a close over this resistance line. Till such time, only intraday trades are possible. On the downside, the support exists at about 34,100 levels. On the higher side, the immediate resistance is seen at about 35,400 500 levels, and then above that the high which we made 4-5 days ago, that is at 35,800 levels. If you move on to short-term time frame charts, the Bank Nifty is all over the place. So it is wise to avoid trading in this narrow congestion band for Bank Nifty. only if it moves in either of the direction, that is above 35,800 and below. If it breaks below yesterday's low, then only a position trade can be initiated in Bank Nifty. Now, a look at the derivative data for today. Nifty ended higher by 102 points to close at 15,738. Heavy buying was seen in Nifty futures, which closed higher by a massive 8.66% in open interest, and Nifty itself closing up by about 0.7%. PCR was at 1.46. Amongst 17 June expiry, put writing was seen at about 15,700 levels, whereas call buildup was seen at 16,000. Bank Nifty closed at 35,131, higher by 331 points. Short covering was seen in Bank Nifty as open interest came down by about 3%, with Bank Nifty closing up by 1%. Bank Nifty PCR was at 0.95. Profit booking was seen in some long positions that were taken by FIIs, and also they have initiated fresh shorts in index futures segment. Thereby, we can conclude that there was a mixed sentiment by FIIs today. In their net positions, they sold indices worth 827 crores. Their open interest in the number of contracts went down by 827. Market breadth was positive. India VIX was at 15%, up by 1%. It is to be noted here that they are booking profits in their long positions and slowly started building short positions. Here we see the FII activity report for today. They have net sold futures contracts and the open interest is at 1,18,958. BHEL, Canara Bank, Indiabull Housing Finance, NALCO, and Sun TV are the securities that are in ban for tomorrow's trade. Finally, a look at the open interest chart for 17th expiry. We can see that 15,700 is where maximum put buildup is seen, whereas the call buildup is at 15,800. Thanks for watching. Good night.